Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to change your theme on ClickUps. Maybe you want to change theme on ClickUps to a dark mode, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can change your theme on ClickUps. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your Clickup application, you'll be directed to your home page. And you can also see below the notification icon, search icon, and then this dotted icon. And then in here, to change the theme of your ClickUp, simply tap on these three lines at the upper left corner of your screen. And you will see in here your home, notifications, favorites, spaces, dashboards, and documents. And then in here, change the theme, tap on these settings. And as you can see in here, you have the general, theme, support, and about. And under the theme, we have here the dark theme, light theme, and the system theme. If you want to change it to dark mode, simply tap on this dark and it will be automatically changed. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to change your theme in ClickUps, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change a theme on your ClickUps, leave a comments below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.